The basic unit of life form is cell. Each cell has a will to live, and in absence of disease, one cell dies and is being constantly replaced by another cell for the organism to live for higher purpose of life. Functioning of cell get affected during the disease stage. Now there can be three type of effects which may be there. Impaired functioning of cell can be in response to a disease can be grouped into following three types: deficiency in cell function, excess of cell function, or perverted function, abnormal function. Whenever there is a threat to the survival of a cell, it will give any of the above response either individually or in permutation combination. Okay? Now let us try to understand the response. For example, you are on a 4-day journey from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and train is fully jam packed. You don't have any place to move, and by chance the seat at which you are sitting has a small nail which is projecting out. Now what will happen? The moment you try to sit comfortably and you feel the pinch of the nail, what will happen? You will move ahead. Okay? After say 24 hours or say 48 hours, the site where the nail is piercing will develop slightly hardened skin. Okay? And say by the end of journey, there might be small pus formation or ulceration. So this is nothing but progress of miasms. So the first response generally is inflammation, the second is disorder of multiplication, and third is destruction. Of the above responses, the deficiency and inflammation may correspond to Sura, excess and disorders of multiplication correspond to psychosis, and perversion and degeneration correspond to syphilis. Now what is true for a cell is also true for whole organism. Nobody is perfect. Just look around and observe the people. If you have any picture of perfect person in your mind, try to match the people around you and try to find out who is. The basic question which I am reminded always at this time is, how many of you are not married? 1, 2, 3, 4. Take advice from the people, your colleagues who are already married. Were they able to find somebody perfect? कितने लोगों को perfect? वो कुछ नहीं, delusion होता है initial. ठीक है? तो you find nobody is perfect. This is result of effect of miasms on the previous generations. Now, this is a beautiful advertisement from Coke.
For the fat, for the skinny, for the tall, for the short, for that laugh, for the nearsighted, for those who cry, for the optimistic, for the pessimistic, for those who have it all, for those who have nothing, for the open, for the players, for the closed, for the families, for the anxious, for kings, for magicians, for the committed, for castaways, for the rockers, for those that go, for those who ride the train, for the well-mannered, for those who suffer, for bikers, for the ones who are there, for the ones who work, for the ones who are here, for the romantic, for those who love you, for those who love you not, for those who love you a little, for those who love you a lot, for the tan, for nudists, for the superstitious, for the original, for musicians, for the transparent, for the strong, for the ones who excel, for the ones who participate, for the ones who add, for the ones who won't be silent, for us, for everyone.
For everyone. If you look, how many products Coke has created?
For the fat, for the skinny, for the tall.
Now you just listen to the different terms they are using. For the fat, for the skinny, for the transparent, for those who live together, those who live alone. So what is this? Different types. Even a company like Coke could not identify a perfect product fit for everybody. So this is the impact of miasms, that nobody is perfect. You will find किसी की आंखें बड़ी हैं, किसी की नाक बड़ी है, किसी की नाक टेढ़ी है, you will find that there will be so many features which will be result of impact of mesons. And when you are observing somebody, generally you observe the first thing is the physical appearance, and that is why Hahnemann in aphorism 5 talks about physical appearance. He gives much ahead of mind. So that also, if time permits, I will show you how physical appearance is to be used for analysis of cases. The commonest reaction to an aggressive situation in Sora is inhibition, which gives rise to anxiety. Now if you ask a Soric person to find out something, what will be the reaction? Suppose you are traveling in a group, there is one Soric, one psychotic and one syphilitic, and you ask Soric person to find out something from the inquiry counter, what will be the reaction? Hesitation. There will be a lot of thoughts in his mind. What will I ask? How will I ask? Then what will the person at the inquiry counter think about me? All those things will come to his mind, arising from inhibition, which gives rise to anxiety. So he will be very anxious, मैं ये कैसे करूँगा? The commonest personality trait due to Sora is timidity. Let us watch one of the beautiful advertisements. So what do you observe in this person who is on the? If you look at the expression of this man, what comes to your mind? बेचारा. Okay, बेचारा तो पूरे एनालिसिस के बाद हो गया ना. Now you see the movement. There's a lot of hesitation. Should I take it or no? Now again look, should I keep it back? Look at the movement of the hand, look at the facial expressions. And look at this expression. Yes, this is psychotic expression, threatening. After the inquiry is over, when Sora person gets the information, what will be his reaction? See the last reaction of that person after putting that. So you find Soric people will be, once their task is over, yes. Sora is deficiency or lack or inhibition. There is inhibition in most of the responses and expression. Psychosis is excess, disorders of multiplication. Appearance is changed from what actually it should be. The word is ostentation. Ostentation basically means something which is presented falsely than what actually it is. Let us see ostentation.
I like the way they're presented and stuff, because some are shiny and some are like blue, some are green and stuff like that, but they want to add the colours like blue, little shiny bits, and I always make sure that if I have a football player and hit this one of the leg out, there's someone with an actual football in it.
When you listen to the voice, you feel initially that it is a child which is speaking. but actually it is a adult male. Presenting something different than what actually it is. This is psychosis. The commonest reaction to an aggressive situation is fear, resulting in flight response. Whenever faced with real threatening situation, the psychotic would always like to escape. If there suddenly somebody says there is a snake here, so what will be the reaction of psychotic person? No, not, he will not run away like that. He is very conscious about his image. Shorik to immediately they will be on the table. Psychotic will say, don't worry, मैं अभी निकाल देता हूँ. I'll just get a bamboo stick. He will go out and he will never return. And syphilitic, he will not bother whether it is catching head or tail. He'll see. I was grading different food items according to MASM, and I have come across some very beautiful syphilitic drinks.